Is there an empty drum set or bass on your stage right now? I'm here to help you, and Worship Band Builder's Drums and Bass Foundations modules are completed, they're uploaded, and they're ready. So if you're needing a drummer, an additional bass player, somebody to keep time for your band that you're building, right now this foundations section is finished, it's ready, I'm very excited. I brought my friend Brent Nussbaum in on the drum sections, and I'm teaching the bass sections, and this is really where you can grab those musicians and say, hey, if you want to play the drums, if you want to play the bass, start these lessons and get this going, get your band up. You need a good drummer, you got to have a good drummer, and I can help you get one. God bless you guys. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. If you have questions and you want to talk to me, just simply fill out the form and say, I need help, or just text me and I'll get with you to help you build a better band. Thanks, God bless.